Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best air fryers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. This 5.5 quart Ninja Air Fryer Max XL was the top performer in our traditional, basket-style air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and clear and useful owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's removable tray and slick, ceramic interior, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. In addition to being easy to use, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL scored the highest in performance. It produced crispy and evenly cooked frozen fries, homemade fries, and chicken wings that were moist on the inside. The model we tested comes with a broiling rack for even quicker and juicier results, and it's a fast way to create melty cheese. It also features several cook settings, including Max Crisp and Air Broil, which reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and Dehydrate, which reaches a low of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. The different settings are programmed with unique maximum and minimum temperatures, so you can select them to achieve different cooking results. Another unique feature is the timer, which counts down to the second. For a larger capacity, consider the Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer. It performs just as well as the Air Fryer Max XL with even more versatility. It's the one I personally turn to the most since I mostly air fry small batches of food, and the smaller baskets are easier to clean and take up less room in the dishwasher. What we love. Performed the best in our lab tests, it made food the crispiest in the shortest amount of time. Easy to use. What we don't love. Some may think the basket diameter is small. Number 2. Second best pick is Cosori Air Fryer. Though it's not the least expensive air fryer on our list, this Cosori Air Fryer is a great value. It's straightforward, easy to use, can feed an entire family, and won't run you a fortune. It has a 3.7 quart square basket, which offers a lot of cooking space, especially compared to its round competitors. The basket is removable and lightweight, with many vents for optimal air circulation. The control panel is loaded with presets that are programmed with recommended cooking temperatures and times, including a preheat option. The Cosori Air Fryer can also be used on a manual setting if none of the presets are the perfect fit. In our tests, the Cosori scored high for ease of use, and more than 5,200 5-star reviewers on Amazon agree. It also made good fresh fries and wings. Frozen fries require almost 10 minutes less than the manufacturer's instructions, so keep an eye on the goodies you're cooking. Steam came out of the air fryer during cooking, which caused condensation to develop on the drawer. It did not seem to affect results. What we love. Includes a preheat function. What we don't love. Steam escapes from the basket during cooking. Number 3. Third best pick is Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Cuisinart was one of the first brands to introduce a toaster oven air fryer that allows you to toast, bake, convection bake, and air fry. We tested the pictured digital version, which not only made the crispiest air-fried food in the shortest amount of time but also some of the most evenly colored toast in our toaster oven test. The rectangular 15.5 by 16-inch AirFryer rack offers a large cooking surface and sits atop a drip/crumb tray for easy cleanup. Since launching the toaster oven air fryer, Cuisinart also introduced a smaller, non-digital version with the same features and quality performance, as well as a same-sized model with a grill pan that we're eager to test. What we love. Cooks very quickly. Large cooking surface. What we don't love. Since foods cook quicker than most other appliances when using air fry, we recommend using a lower temp and keeping a close eye on food to help prevent burning. Number 4. Fourth best pick is GoWISE USA's 7-quart electric air fryer. The GoWISE USA 7-quart air fryer is the one we turn to most for cooking in large batches since it's so big. In our tests, it air-fried crispy fries and juicy wings that we kept going back to nosh on. Its air fryer basket has an oblong shape, which allows for more cooking in a single layer than round baskets, which is a big benefit when it comes to dehydrating. This GoWISE air fryer comes with 3 additional racks that stack, which sets it apart from others on the market. The stacking racks allow you to air fry and dehydrate up to 4 layers at a time. What we love includes shelves for air frying multiple thinner items at once. What we don't love, bulky. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact is a good air fryer for people who cook only for themselves, or someone who's new to air frying and wants to try it out. At 1.7 liters, it can quickly cook one portion of food. A smaller footprint means it takes up less room on your counter, and a smaller basket means easier cleaning. The Dash has a mechanical timer, which makes it a little tricky to program to the exact minute. The temperature dial also doesn't offer many temperature options, but we use the max 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature to air fry most foods anyway. We love that it comes in an assortment of colors that pop, unlike most air fryers on the market. The aqua, pictured here, is a fave. What we love comes in an assortment of colors. What we don't love, homemade fries did not cook evenly. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.